Good morning everyone. Welcome to science class. Students, in our previous video we have already studied about uses of leaf. Today we are going to read about shedding of leaves. Shedding of leaves. In certain season of the year we see very many leaves laying on the lawns and the roads. This shows that the leaves of plants are not permanent. They remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function well. When they become old, the plant shed them off. Leaf fall of trees when they are not doing their job anymore. And what are the job of leaves? Leaf makes food for the plant, and when they are not work properly, trees fall them off. Okay, some trees lose their leaves every year, but some of the trees hold their leaves throughout the year. These trees are called evergreen trees. The plants shed their leaf when they are old and damaged. They do not perform their work well. New leaves then grow up to take their place. The old leaves keep on getting shed and new leaves keep coming in their place. Students, leaves are very important for the tree. That's why when old leaves getting shed, new leaves take their place. Compost of leaves. What should we do with the leaves that have been shed by trees and plants? We should collect and dump the fallen leaves along with our kitchen waste. In a pit, this waste can be covered with moist soil. When this is left as such for 2 or 3 months, it becomes compost. This compost can be used in fields. It helps the plants and crops to grow better. So what is compost of leaves? When plant and trees shed their leaves, we collect them and along with our kitchen waste, we put them in a pit. This waste can be covered into this covered with soil. When this is left and this is left for 2 or 3 months, and after 2 or 3 months it converted into compost. And what are the uses of this compost? This compost is used in fields. It helps the plants and crops to grow better. Okay students, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will do keywords of this chapter. Okay, now bye.